Rap star Little Marlo dies at age 30. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope. Atlanta rapper Little Marlo has passed away. According to the Fulton County Medical Examiner's Office, they confirmed the incident. While there was no cause of death at the time, it was first reported by a media source that the rapper, whose real name is Rudolph Johnson, was actually shot while driving. The medical examiner's office confirmed that the artist was actually 30 years old at the time of this incident. So the Atlanta Police Department confirmed to reporters that the officers found the 30-year-old man with gunshot wounds in a vehicle on the I-285 near the Benjamin E. Mays Drive overpass after responding to a call of an incident on Saturday night. Although they did not confirm the identity of the rapper on site, he was identified later afterwards. In the meantime, the investigators believe that the victim was the intended target of the gun attack, and they are working to determine the circumstances surrounding the shooting, a police statement read. Marlo was raised in Atlanta's rough Brewing Homes housing project, and like several other control artists, turned to rapping as a way to escape the crime plunge surrounding his upbringing. Jacob Hansen, a longtime friend and Atlanta defense attorney, told reporters that Marlo had just left a banquet block party late Saturday night when he was shot. When we look on what is going on around us as it relates to rappers being taken out, it's very alarming to the number of rappers being taken out, especially since this year. Just a few days ago, Pop Smoke was also taken out in what was said to be an house invasion and also a robbery that went wrong. And the police have so far arrested some individuals as it relates to that. But this was an upcoming rapper, just 30 years old, young, still had a promising future ahead of him, and something must have transpired leading up to the demise of the late rapper. But we at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of the late rap star.